Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix FaceTime not working on my iPhone. So if you're also currently facing that exact same issue that your FaceTime is currently not working on your iPhone and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is to just open up my settings app as you can see. So now you should be taken to your settings app when you click on settings basically, and then as you can see, we are now on this page. Just scroll down a little bit in here until you can find where it says FaceTime, as you can see. So click on FaceTime and now you should be taken to this page. As you can see, for me, the FaceTime icon or the FaceTime in here actually was off for some reason. So I just enable it back again, as you can see. So I'm just going to go back and click on FaceTime once again. And you can see right here, you can be reached by FaceTime at, and you can see you have actually multiple numbers, or I actually have multiple numbers, but you might actually have one number and one email address, just as you can see. And then you can actually just play around with it and make sure that everything is correct. But if it still is not working, as you can see, you can have incoming calls right here. When iPhone is unlocked, display as a banner or full screen, as you can see. So basically in here you can have it as full screen so you never miss a FaceTime call. This is also pretty decent to have, just so you know. But if it still is not working, even after you have enabled this one right here, it's still not working for you, what you can do is to I'm just going to close the settings app just a second, and I'm going to come back into this page actually, sorry. Let's go back to this page right here. And then what we're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, click on general. So we're going to click on general, and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, click on software update, because it might be that you have not yet actually gotten the newest iOS update. That is very important. If there is a new update, make sure that you get it as fast as possible, because it might actually fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. And one of those bugs might be that you're not yet able to actually use FaceTime, basically because you're using the wrong version of iOS. I hope it makes sense. Another thing it can be, by the way, is that your current network is not working good. So if you have currently a bad network, what you can do to be able to reestablish connection is to swipe like this, enable your airplane mode, and then disable it like after 5 seconds or whatever. So, and then basically what will happen now is that you will regain connection to mobile data if you were using mobile data or Wi-Fi, and it's going to give you a bit stronger signal than before. So try again and see if this also fixes this issue for you. But that is basically a couple of solutions to fix this problem.